Isn't it beautiful to see gold achieving the targets back to back at these levels? 1700, I told you, 1950, 1840 and 1950 are the targets. When at 1950, I told you very clearly this is a very strong resistance and it is highly overbought. We may see a drop. Precisely 1840, 1820 were the targets for this week, and achieving 1820, it has showed a little recovery. So now what to expect? Is the drop done and can we see a reversal from here, or is it going to trade bearish again next week? Which position we should take in order to profit trading gold next week? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First we'll look into charts followed with indicators. Towards the end I will give you the trading levels and strategy for next week. Do watch till the end. Now look at the weekly charts here. See, if you connect the dots, first of all draw just how simple the analysis can be. See, just draw a parallel line, you will find this is the highs, and if you just draw the parallel from here to here, and I have drawn it for you. See, here you will find that the bottom is almost there, but also not only from this channel in which it is trading so far, but also you can see the zone of consolidation, that is 1800 levels, which is a very strong support, and then 1740 levels. Till the time gold stays above 1740 in the near future, we can remain bullish. Every drop is an opportunity to accumulate gold. That is also I am claiming right now. It may again fly, but then we have to remain cautious. Do not hold on the positions. Now let's have a look at the last two. Now look at the last 2 weeks candle. It created a step and then this sharp drop, giving you lower highs and lower lows. That is the first part to it. Second part is the candle sizes in fact not was equivalent to the previous bearish candle, which means that the bearishness has diminished. That is the first part. But remember, it has got a pullback while closing on the week on the last trading session. It has still left an scope. However, another observation here is the tail and the body size is almost equal, and hence still the bullishness is cannot be confirmed, or the reversal cannot be confirmed till the time gold trades below 1865 levels, only above which you can expect that there could be a little reversal, and specifically above 1880 we can expect it to fly again. That is the first part. Second part is, if it opens and drops below 1840, certainly it can try to either give you higher lows. That is the first part. Even if it is bullish, it may try to give you higher lows before trying to completely reverse. So even if it is bullish, even if it has to bounce back, it may try to drop a little. And if you see this drop happening in the very first day or the second day, then you can expect that towards the end we may see a reversal and then it can try to fly again. That is the next point. Now, yes, you can sell at 1840, but then be cautious of 1825, 1820 levels. And only if gold trades below 1820, you can stay short for 1800 this time. 1800 is a very good support that will complete its journey, the symmetrical move, and probably at 1800 we will decide what to do. So yes, if you see it trading below 1840, you can stay short for 1825, 1820 levels. Possibly it can give you higher lows, but then till 1820 do not consider this as bearish. It can bounce back any point of time. Below 1820 only little bit more bearishness can be seen, which may try to bring gold till towards 1800. That is another observation. Now on the upside, if you look at higher lows, lower highs, expanding triangle, yes, you can buy at 1850, but then 1860, 1865, these two levels you should watch out for. And above 1865, you can expect that we might see 1880 levels, which is definitely the next stronger resistance. Breaking 1880, certainly more bullishness will be seen. Now this is just on the weekly charts. Let's have a look at the daily chart. Now if you look at the daily chart, see, gold was trading earlier in the top half of this channel. Also last week I had told you after this drop, this was just a retracement and possibly it can slide more. Also 1820, 1840 levels, I have told you several times, it has achieved the same. Now look at last few days candle. Yes, lower highs, lower lows, it is still trying to trade in this bearish channel. In fact, you can buy next week even if you see it trading above 1845. You can stay long for 1855, 60. Then we may see 1870 and 1880, these four levels. Only above 1840 we may see a reversal where we can expect 1910, 1920, and beyond that it is again going to fly high. But that requires lot much of strong bullish momentum in order for it to trade bullish. At the same time, remember one fact, trading below 1820, I have told you this also, that see, this was the consolidation zone and this was the breakout, and hence 1820, 1810 levels are going to be important as this breakout has happened here. It has completed its journey here, so possibly this is going to remain a very good support, breaking below which 1800, 1780, these levels will come into picture. So this is the observation on the daily charts. Now let's also have a look at the monthly candle. Now see, on the monthly charts, here is the triple bottom and the building, and you can find sharp drops and a strong reversal. But look at the high. See, first thing is the lows out there and then the highs out there. Right now it appears this is going to be a very strong resistance. But look at the complete candle. See, this candle is now engulfing the previous candle, giving higher highs, lower lows. So if you connect the complete move 1820, 1960, the median is at around 1890 levels. So 1890 is the pivot and around which we have seen this complete movement. So once gold trades above 1890, you can expect that probably next month we may see it trading bullish, as this time the lows for the month probably are done, and in fact if it has to stretch on the downside, it is going to be a little stressful for gold. It is going to get very strong support on the downside till 1800 and 1780 levels. That is also very clear. At the same time, on the upside 1890, first you should watch out for, only above which you can expect that it is trying to trade bullish. Now also, yes, this is happening after a strong base, and hence it may consolidate for a while and probably fly later. So this is on the monthly charts. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. If you look at the indicators, see, 20 and 50 period moving average are now converging and willing to cross over, which is a slight bearish indication for the near term for gold. And also this indicates that now 1900 levels are going to be a pretty tough resistance, as these levels are going to give it a tough fight. At the same time, on the downside, see, 100 period moving average situated at 1800 levels, and also the bottom of the Bollinger Bands at around 1800, 1810. So these levels are certainly going to be a very good support for gold here. Now if you look at the directional movement here, this is bearish divergent. Stochastic has come to oversold levels and we can see it recovering here. The MACD is bearish, and see, the candle size are diminishing, which probably may bring a little recovery here. RSI also at the bottom and trying to recover on the upside. Now this indicates that the indicators apart, gold is little oversold. It may try to recover a little, but still cannot be confirmed the bullishness there. Now look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, 50 and 100 period moving average are situated here. 20 period moving average is on the verge of a crossover, and yes, this is all coming concentrated at 1780, 1810 levels. Definitely very good support here. If you look at directional movement was bullish so far, it is trying to converge crossover for a sell. Stochastic has fallen, it has come to oversold zone. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for a sell here. Now see, you can say that gold is trying to converge, but if you look at the movement, it is still bullish and probably converging a little. It can again start to diverge. That is also very possible, because see, this is the bottom here at -50, and if you look at the highs, it is still far away from the highs out there, and hence it can stretch there. But at the same time, the candle size is also cooled down a bit from here. It can continue to diverge, and hence you have to be watchful here. It is not to be considered bearish for the near future. RSI is also dropping. It went till overbought zone, and whenever we have seen gold entering overbought zone, it is seen or followed with a little drop, and that is what is happening right now. Now this is on the weekly charts. Let's have a look at the monthly. On the monthly chart, certainly trading about 20, 50, 100 period moving average. Support at 1800 from the 20 period moving average. Also the resistance on the upside from the Bollinger Bands is strong here, and hence it is still bullish on the monthly charts. If you look at the directional movement, this is also on the buy side, it has crossed over, it is bullish. Stochastic is overbought, and that is why we can probably see this candle as red. We may see gold closing the candle in red only. This is one probability because this is overbought. Now look at the MACD. Now see, MACD on the monthly charts, after trading bearish for months and ages or for last 2 years, it is now on the verge of a crossover. And see, this crossover brings bullishness always. You can see historically on the monthly charts, you can see this crossover. When this crossover has happened, we have seen this very sharp bullish rally which bought gold from 1200 to 2000 plus levels. Now this crossover, probably if it happens, it is going to be another bullish move which may remain, which can let gold remain in the bullish zone for a little while, for a few months from here. Hence you have to be very watchful and observant for this crossover on the monthly charts. RSI is looking down. This is a slight bearish indication. So we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Now time for us to define the trading levels and strategy for next week so that you can trade profitably. And before I proceed with the levels and strategy, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts in first week of March. Reserve your seats now itself. Only limited seats are available. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my Signals channel. Reach out to me for sale. Now, I am going to give you very tight levels for buy and sell both. 1845 itself you can buy. Now, see, and very nearby resistances 1850, 1855, 1860 and 1865. Till here 1865, we have to be extra cautious, vigilant and aware that gold may reverse any point of time in this, taking this $5 as a support. It can reverse any point of time. One thing is having the cautions, because see, if you are not aware that it is bullish or bearish, we keep the trades and we lose ultimately. We do not close it in little loss also. Now till 1865, the probability of a reversal always exists, and hence keep booking or keep trailing. Above 1860, the target which I expect is 1880, that it might hit, and then 1891. Once it breaks beyond 1891, we can say that it may trade bullish, and then 1910, 1920 is the zone which I will be looking forward to. This is going to be the next resistance on the upside. And hence till 1865, 1880 levels, we have to be extra cautious and vigilant. And yes, it can reverse again, it can drop again, and hence if you are taking a buy and trade 1845, you should trade strictly with the trailing stop loss. Now on the downside, 1840 itself you can sell. Now see, as I have told you in the analysis, that till 1825-20 levels, it can possibly give you higher lows from what we have seen last week. Achieving higher lows, we can see a bounce back or recovery, and hence below 1840 you can sell. But then 1833, 1825 and then 1820, only and only if it trades below 1820, 1818 levels, that is the previous low, you can expect that we are going to look forward to 1810 and 1800 levels. Now this level at 1820, 1818 is certainly important, and probably achieving higher lows, we can see gold bouncing back again, which means 1825 levels also are going to remain critical, and achieving these levels, it can bounce back again, and hence we have to remain extra cautious till 1818, 1820 zone, only below which you can expect accelerated bearishness will be seen, and we may see gold dropping till towards 1800, the next strongest support there. So take your trades accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss, be watchful and cautious of the critical levels such that you can take your trades. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon. Join my signals group. Join my mentorship batch. Reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.